My name is Shayan Amin and I study in GEMS New Millennium School.
Hello, my name is Avantika Arun from GEMS New Millennium School. I study in year 9.
Hi, I'm Darshal.
My name is Lara Jimmy Francis and I am from GEMS New Millennium School.
My name is Nujra Menon from GEMS New Millennium School, Al-Khail. These sessions have helped me understand about financial management and how finance works in everything in our everyday life. And I'm sure these sessions will help me in the future to understand about finance.
I feel like this session is very helpful. For the past 2 days, we have been learning about different type of financial things you will face in the future. For example, what is a good debt, what is a bad debt, and also people's different types of mindset about money.
I've learned about things such as budgeting, which would help me classify between the needs and the wants, and how I would further budget my income, and skills and knowledge about the credit cards and how exactly to utilize them to its fullest, and how to not get into a debt.
This course is extremely interactive and very entertaining. It even clears out simple terms.
Why I urge you to join this conference in future is because as long as there is money and trading involved, finance should exist. So it will help you make your future more independent, independent upon your own self, and more responsible.
Over the 2 days, we had a lot of activities, such as the marshmallow activity, which really engaged all of us and created the session more exciting.
Thank you Emirates NBD for sponsoring this event, and Kfi Global for organizing it and giving us opportunity to learn more about financial management.
Thank you Emirates NBD again and Kfi Global for giving us the opportunity to learn about financial literacy.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ramya Ranjit and I'm the head of IGCSE at GEMS New Millennium School. Over the 2 days, our Year 9I Bridging Program students did have a financial literacy course sponsored by Emirates NBD and organized by Kfi Global. And Dr. Pooja facilitated this session so well that the students' takeaway was fantabulous. The student did have knowledge about the credit card, debit card, and how to budget things. The students, after coming back from yesterday's session, did have a sound knowledge on how to manage debt and how to differentiate between the credits and debit. And I'm sure this course has given them an insight about how to manage money and be more financially independent in the future. And thank you to Emirates NBD and Kfi Global for organizing such an event for the students. Thank you.